Hi, my name is Keri Blair, and I'm one of the senior national artists based in North America for MAC Cosmetics. I've been with the brand for well over 24 years, and I can tell you as a professional makeup artist, a makeup wearer, and a woman over 40, I know exactly how daunting it can be to try to find the right lipstick color and formulation. There are so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. And that's why I'm really excited to have a couple minutes to talk to you about one of my favorite formulas, MAC Love Me Lipstick. Now, what's special about this product, aside from the adorable packaging, which makes it extremely easy to find in the bottom of your purse, is the color waves. It comes in a nude color wave, a red color wave, and a plum color wave. But that's not really the specialness of this product. What really makes it special is its unique formula. It has something called a true gel color system. And what that does is it allows for a true color payoff and a consistent color payoff throughout the duration of your wear. It also has a special blend of lightweight oils and waxes that allow for it to give you a full color payoff while feeling weightless on the lips. And I don't know about you, but I don't really like to feel things on my face throughout the day, especially on my mouth. So I'm going to start the application process with something that I love to partner with all my lipsticks, and that is the Prep and Prime Lip. This is a silicone stick that allows for hydration of the mouth as well as a very smooth, consistent texture so that your lipstick goes on really smoothly and consistently all over the whole entire surface area of the lip. I'm going to go ahead and start with this color, which is called Killing Me Softly. I have a penchant for purple, so I always love to go in the plum range. What's really cool about this lipstick is that it's buildable. So if you want something lightweight that you can just throw on really quickly and that's foolproof, this product is wonderful for just a one swipe application. And as you can see, it gives a beautiful plum color, but it's really lightweight and almost transparent. Now, if I want to kind of up the amp a little bit and add a little bit more power to my pout, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 to 3 swipes of this, and you're going to see that color build on my lip. So just going to come in and add a few more strokes. And the more I apply, the more intense the color becomes. So if you want to up the amp a little bit for a Zoom call or a house party, or if you're running to pick up your kids, or you've got a date night, this is the perfect accessory for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoy MAC Love Me Lipstick as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching.